everyone, thank you for watching. So today we're opening up tea subscriptions. So just the other day I opened up some coffee subscriptions, so if you guys missed that, I will link that in the eye and down below. But today we're opening up the September Sips by Bruu the Gourmet Tea Club, and then 3 fun limited edition tea boxes by Sips by. They actually have a bunch available, so yeah, these will all be linked down below. Before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you subscribed. It means so much to me. But now let's get unboxing. How about we start off with Bruu the Gourmet Tea Club, and then we'll open all of these Sips by boxes. So this actually comes from the UK, and it says discover better tasting tea. And I think it is just so cute. So it's designed to fit in your mailbox. And open it up. This is what it looks like. So join the adventure. Tailored teas from some of the most exquisite plantations from around the world. And then every month they tell you about a new tea plantation. And it looks like this time it says discover Nepal, the fecal plantation, or yeah, fickle or fecal. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing this, but how beautiful. And on the back it tells you more about it. It says this month we bring you, is it Elam or Lam tea from Fecal. Fecal is located just 15 kilometers from Darjeeling. I hate when I can't pronounce things. But on the Nepali side of the border, and is considered a rare first flush Darjeeling and a highly prized tea. And then it talks more about it. It tells you how to make the perfect Lam tea or Yam tea. Again, please correct me. And it talks about why they love it. It says astringent, pale liquoring with geranium tropical fruit notes, deeply silvered tip in the leaf, very attractive khaki bronze green hue on leaf particles. This tea is so special, and its exclusivity really adds to the appeal. Oh my god, can I not speak? And then it tells you like everything about where the tea come from, even the coordinates on the map, elevation, soil type, manufacturer, season, average temperature, gives some facts about Nepal. So I've said this before when I opened this box, I think this is great for people who really love tea and learning more about where it comes from, about new places. So if you're into like the education stuff and the tea, I think you'll really like this box. And this is what the rest of it looks like, the actual tea. So there are 3 different loose leaf tea packets. And then here is the tea from Nepal. And there is always a little treat. Oh my god, this sounds amazing. This is by Vibe. It's the natural protein snack bar. It has 10 grams of plant protein, and it is in salted caramel and coated in Belgian dark chocolate. Yum! I love the extra, but now let's talk about the teas. The first one is Lockhart Orthodox, and it says to make you take 1 teaspoon, 100 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes, and this is a black tea, and it comes with this card, and the loose tea comes in these resealable bags, which is super convenient. So Lockhart Orthodox, what is it? A light black tea loaded with flavor, made using full leaf O.P. Camellia sinensis grown on South India Lockhart Tea Estate. And they talk about why they love it and where it's from. And they have a little thing in the little corner so you can rate your teas there. So you can save your cards each month. The next tea is a fruit tea, and it's called Turkish Apple. And this one says 1 teaspoon, 100 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. There's even a little like turkey on there. So Turkish Apple is a tasty fruit tea and brew take on the famous Turkish apple tea. Pineapple and apple pieces complement the fresh, Swedish yogurt taste, making this a wonderfully creamy fruit passion. So the ingredients for this are apple pieces, pineapple cubes, and lemongrass. And again, there's even more information on here as well. Ooh, and then we have Brazilian mate. This is a mate tea. I really like mate. And this one says 1 teaspoon, 100 degrees Celsius, 5 to 10 minutes. And what is it? Mate tea is known as the beverage of the gods in South America. Enjoy around a campfire like gachos or in the comfort of your own living room. Either way, you can look forward to enjoying the taste of South America. Yum. So that was everything. They'll be linked down below if you're interested in subscribing. Now let's open the regular monthly Sips By. So Sips By is a personalized tea subscription. When you sign up, you fill out a profile, and it's pretty thorough. You can tell them what like flavors you like, what you don't like, if you like caffeinated teas, non-caffeinated, and like other preferences for specific tea types. It costs $15 a month. So you can open it, there's a card here, it says September teas, and on the back it says made for kitty. So you get between 15 and 16 teas a month, and they're from there's 4 different types, between 3 and 4 packets for each. So it says, happy September, kitty. Although it's still warm in most places, it's beginning to feel like fall to us. Maybe wishful thinking. We're excited for scented candles, beautiful leaves, and of course, all the cups of tea. Share a pic of your Sips By box to enter to win a free month. And then it talks about the teas, how to make them, how much caffeine's in it with a description. And then one great thing is if you like any of these teas, they'll have codes. So if you want to purchase more, you can save some money. So how about we start off with this one? This sounds really good. So we have 4 packets here from Stash, and it's their double spice chai. I love chai tea. So this has high caffeine, and if you don't know, I love coffee and like caffeine in general, so I did tell them I prefer caffeinated teas, but I am open to trying some non-caffeinated sometimes. So it says, we all love a little spice in our lives, but sometimes you just need more. This blend of hearty black teas and an abundance of chai spices will deliver the extra spice you crave. Oh, I think I've tried this tea at some point in my life, or at least, I don't know, it had positive in the title. This is by Yogi Teas. We have 4 packets here of the sweet tangerine positive energy. It says it supports elevated moods and energy levels. So this has high caffeine, and this tea combines herbs used to uplift the spirit with Assam black tea in green mate to provide energy. Sounds really good. And then I have 4 packets here from Organic India, the Tulsi Breakfast. This is stress relieving and awakening, and it contains caffeine, it says. So this is medium caffeine, and it says revered in India is the queen of herbs. Tulsi, in parentheses it says holy basil, supports stress, mood, and the immune system, and detoxification. This blend offers a natural energy boost. Nice. Now last but not least, we have another 4 packets, so we got 16 this month. And this is the Cedar Boast lemon flavored rooibos tea, and it says family made since 1851, wow. So this is caffeine free. Citrusy, zesty Cedar Boast lemon rooibos tea is refreshing and cleansing, caffeine free and antioxidant rich drink to be enjoyed hot or cold any time of the day at any age. Great, those all sound so good. I think what sounds the best to me is that double spiced chai. But now let's move on to our like limited edition like special boxes. I don't know what one's what, so the outside looks just like the regular boxes, which I don't think I commented on earlier. I always think their packaging is so cute. Okay, so this box is the immune boosting teas. It says, made for immune health. No matter the season, we could all use a little extra immune system boost, and now you've got one. The immune boosting tea box is filled with wellness blends that will have you feeling positively healthy and glowing. Sip them regularly and combine with good sleep and a healthy lifestyle to keep the sniffles away. This is perfect for coming into like cooler months. Oh, so we just got this brand in the last box, Organic India. This is the Tulsi Turmeric Ginger, stress relieving and harmonizing caffeine-free tea. We have 4 packets here. This is what it looks like. And I didn't read this before. It says Organic India empowers small family farmers to cultivate regenerative organic farmland, bringing healthy, conscious living to the world 1 cup at a time. Love that. So this blend is stress relieving and aids in digestion, and it has Tulsi like the other tea from Organic India had that supports stress, mood, the immune system, and detoxification. And then we have 4 packets here. 100% pure My Red Tea organic rooibos tea, and this is naturally caffeine free, it says, organic. So caffeine free, antioxidant rich rooibos has been used by South Africans for generations. Drink hot or cold, alone or with honey, lemon, and milk, or add to bath water to soothe your skin. Oh, interesting. And there are codes to save money on these as well, if you want to purchase more. Oh, I like these by Tea Drops Tea Sprinkles. There's 4 of them here, and this is their Boost, a powerhouse blend of matcha, ginger, and lemon. It's USDA organic, caffeinated, and unsweetened. And I love the packaging. Aren't those colors pretty? So medium caffeine. Crush your goals for the day with this powerhouse blend of organic matcha, ginger, and lemon that will have you in that hustle and flow mode. And then the last tea, we actually have a packet here. It is resealable. So this is by Tea Lira, if I'm saying it correctly, the Galaxy of Teas. Their immunity booster, herbal and fruity tea. This is made with red rooibos, ginseng, tulsi, lemon peel, orange peel, hibiscus, ginger root, rose hips, cinnamon, rose petals, marigold flowers, orange, vanilla, and natural flavoring. So it looks like this is caffeine free. There might actually be some packets in there. I'm like feeling around. I don't think it's loose. I think there's just packets in it. So this, yeah, so they have sachets in here. It says 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water. This blend is formulated to help lower stress levels and give your immune system a natural boost. Perfect if you're feeling under the weather or simply to top off your vitamin levels. Awesome. I think this box is very well on theme and will definitely come in handy. But now let's move on to the next box. Again, not sure what one it is. I'm excited. Now I remember picking this one. This is the pumpkin tea box. Anything like pumpkin in the fall, I am obsessed with, and I know I'm not the only one. It says, Happy Pumpkin Season. I hope you love this special tea box. In addition to 4 curated tea selections, you'll also find biodegradable tea filters and tea steeping tips listed below. So kick back, relax, and get ready to brew up a cuppa or 15 more of something delicious. And then it says to learn more about these teas, rate them, and claim special member offers, go to sipspy.com/box/pumpkin. I am so excited. Pumpkin spice tea. The Republic of Tea pumpkin spice seasonal round black tea bags. There's 4 of them here. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. On the back it says, enjoy this environmentally friendly round unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. This sounds so good. Then next up we have some loose leaf tea. This is by Tin Star Tea Cinnamon Pumpkin Rose Seasonal Tea. It's slightly floral and maple pumpkin goodness. Yes, Texan crafted with black tea, rooibos, cinnamon, clove, allspice, calendula, cardamom, ginger, rose hips, cocoa nibs, maple, and natural flavor. Yes, please, that sounds so good. And since this is a loose tea, they did give some little muslin cloth tea bags. Ooh, we have 2 more loose ones too. So the next is by Davidson's Organics. This is their herbal pumpkin spice tea. This is caffeine free. Rooibos, ginger, cinnamon, licorice root, nutmeg, cloves, allspice, and natural flavors. And it's made with certified organic ingredients. Cute packaging. The back looks like. And last but not least, by Theosaurus Tea. There's a Tyrannosaurus Rex on here. This is pumpkin spice tea. Yay! So it says the flavor profile on the back. The spice must flow. Cinnamon and pumpkin is the quintessential taste of autumn. No matter the time of year you crave it. Sure to keep you warm on the inside and forever wanting more. It is made with black tea, apple and orange pieces, rose hip, hibiscus, calendula, and sunflower petals, and natural organic flavors. And that gives you some instructions to brew it. So since this is black tea, I'm assuming there is caffeine in there. This box, perfect for this time of year. Oh my god, but they're right. You can love pumpkin spice all year round. But now let's open our last box. And this is the happy birthday box. So if you or someone you know has a birthday, this will be perfect. And there, right on top is a little like postcard, or you can like put a little note there. So happy birthday, and on the back it says, make a wish, cue the confetti, candles, and cake because we're celebrating with an extra special birthday tea party. Enjoy the birthday tea box whether it's your birthday or you just want to treat yourself to deliciously fun flavored teas. Inside you'll find a happy birthday card perfect for hanging or writing your intentions for the next year on while you take in these sweet sips. Oh man, it's so cute. So the first thing I see, this is loose leaf tea. So again, we have these bags to put it in. I think that's great they provide it. So Pinky Up Confetti Cake Herbal Tea with Flowers. Yum. This is caffeine free. And it says, remember confetti cake from childhood birthdays? It's back. Enjoy the same rich vanilla goodness without calories or a baking pan. It's a delicious slice of cake in a cup. I really am trying to like lose weight and get healthier, so this will be like dessert. Yes. Oh my god, these all sound so desserty and yummy. The next is by Cup of Cake Teas, and there's 4 packs here, and it's caramel vanilla, fine black tea with caramel and natural vanilla flavor, and this is by the Republic of Tea. And this, it has high caffeine. It says, taste the decadent flavors of old-fashioned southern yellow cake with homemade caramel vanilla frosting. This calorie-free treat is wonderfully served either hot or cold. Yum! And we have 2 more. The next, Savoy Tea Co. birthday cake. This is a blend of black teas, rainbow sprinkles, and natural and artificial flavoring. So this is high caffeine. Let us eat, drink birthday cake tea, and be merry. For today we celebrate you. And then last but not least, final tea for today's unboxing is by Tealightful Ice Cream Sprinkles Loose Leaf Green Tea Blend. So this has low caffeine. This creamy, dreamy blend tastes just like vanilla ice cream without all of the sugar, fat, and calories. Sip it iced in a glass rimmed with your favorite ice cream sprinkles. Nice. Oh my god, this is so fun to open all these teas. I like all of them. I think they all are great gift ideas for tea lovers. Personally, I think the pumpkin spice box speaks the most to my heart. I had pumpkin spice like creamer in my coffee earlier, and oh my god, I can like have tea with the creamer and be like really pumpkin spice. But everything sounds so great. Again, everything will be linked down below and any promo codes I can find. I would love to know which one you think is the best. And again, they have other limited edition boxes or special boxes, so check out the website down below. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing my tea with me. And thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership or are interested in joining, there is always a link down below that will tell you the perks, and you can also join there as well. One of the perks is that for tier 2 we have bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. We get to chit chat, get to know each other better, and there's also giveaways in all the live streams. So if you want to join, again, I would love that, but no pressure. I know times are hard. Just by being here and watching is so supportive, and I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!